Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to talk about double circulation. Under this particular lecture, we'll get to know that what is the path of the blood followed in our body. Fine. So let's start with it. As it is a double circulation, it means what? The blood is circulated twice in the body. Okay, by the heart. Or we can say the blood is received twice. The blood is coming to the heart twice. Got it? Once the blood is coming from the whole body parts to the right atrium. Okay. Then it is going to the lungs, get oxygenated. Then again it comes to the heart. And then again it comes to the body. So this is a double circulation path. As we know, human is having 4-chamber heart. So we are having the double circulation. Got it? Which is more effective and more efficient. Fine. Let's see. This double circulation is having 2 steps. One is pulmonary circulation, which is related to lungs. Okay, pulmonary term is related to lungs. The second is systemic circulation. Got it? What this pulmonary circulation means? When the blood from the right ventricle pumped to the pulmonary artery and that takes the blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the exchange of gases will take place that results into the oxygenation of the blood. Blood now carrying oxygen. This oxygenated blood will be received by left atrium of the heart. Till this is pulmonary circulation. Got it? That circulation which is related with the lungs. जिसमें lungs का role है. Systemic circulation. Now the left ventricle is going to pump the blood to the aorta, the biggest artery, and then distribute the same in the body. From the body, the blood is going to take the waste, the carbon dioxide, and through the veins, it will again come back to the heart. This is systemic circulation. This path followed is systemic one, and this one is the pulmonary. Fine. So if I want to see the path, so from where to where the blood is going in the double circulation, from the right atrium to the right ventricle. Through the right ventricle, it will go to pulmonary artery. From pulmonary artery, it will go to lungs. From lungs, it will go to pulmonary vein. From pulmonary vein, where the blood is going there? Left atrium. Left atrium to left ventricle to aorta, and aorta to arteries, then arteries to the body tissues, body cells. Got it? Clear? From body tissues again into the right atrium. So this is the path of the blood circulation. Clear? Here in the diagram we can see this blood from the body is coming into the right atrium to right ventricle. Through the right ventricle, it will move to the lungs. Exchange will occur. From the lungs, the blood is coming to the left atrium, then to left ventricle, and from this left ventricle to left ventricle से आएगा into the aorta, aorta to arteries, and then to bodies. Here again via capillaries the exchange of material will take place. Then deoxygenated blood will be carried back to the right atrium. Fine. So this is the double circulation. Now under under this double circulation, we are going to talk about one portal system also. So let's talk about this.